Ebyo kutontoheza korukiiko rwa kanso ya Kikuube bitandikira obukansara Nicholas Kiza aresere ekihandikirwe Robert Harera arikwenda ngu babinje abantu babiri abaramu Peterson Eugene Kyomuhendo hamwe na Muzamiro bari hamwe aha kakiiko k'ebyitaka ahabwo kujingerera ebihandiko by'obwegyese.
Who were approved by the Minister of State for Lands, Dr. Sam Mayanja, on 21st March 2022 on terms and conditions of the board set in accordance with Section 56, Cap 63 of the Land Act as amended by Land Act 204.
Ekihanuro kya kansara Nicholas kireserweho kwetombwita omuri bamwe omuri ba kansara abarimu Opio Vincent na Nestor Tumwesige bari kugira ngu kibire kitari aha agenda eibine kuhanuraho bitwe sipiika Christopher Nkaru abire nayenda ngu bakihanureho mu kansero kwija nuko kwajana kukabarukaho akakwatwe kinega akongezayo kanso batakahanwira ha kintu kyona.
Nobody was going to fight him. We requested him to follow the procedure as stipulated in the standard rules of procedure and conduct council the way it is supposed to be, because this is not a village meeting where you stand up after taking your marwa, taking your words, and then you decide the way you want things to be.
People have right to participate, people have right to contribute. So Speaker was blocking people from participating. And Speaker does not debate in the council. He directs. He was instead debating.
Boba kansara omukugamba kwabo bagizire ngu Speaker natwara kanseji nkama kage.
We were supposed to discuss pertinent issues. We have thousands and thousands of people from Buchinda camped down here, and they are seeking for redress from us, the leaders, which was on the order paper.
Tukusaba habeho ukenganga na mkanzo habeho kukura. In fact tukagetwa koma kambete bana bato bali mu bintu. In fact bakaija kora at employment.
Bitwe Speaker nagerangwa kucwamo okongezayo kanso abiri atakigenderire bite nuko kureba habarukaho kurwana ati akajongezayo
isheno mbaire ngi pushing the next pushing mu kanso kwija noko chairman LC5 hamwe nakaho bagende bakole due diligence bakusura kubungira hamasomero ago kurora real bakamara senior 4 then kawa handike na junebo kurora real bakamara senior 4.
And the district I'm leading, we are not accepting this kind of hula baloo kind of talk and coming in to distract a young district like Kikuube.
Kanseji ebireine kuhanura hakiragiro ekyebikijo okufutisa abantu babuchinda abamazire emyaka omu camp bwanyuma yo kubingwa mu mataka hamwe n'ezindi nshonga. Amakuru agashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto ahabwa Agacencwire.